guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Now for today's video, if you guys don't know what kind of things I'm doing with my hands right now, we are airbending, baby. Look at this. Fam, this Corsa is going to be airbending by the end of this video. Trust me. So basically, boys, from the title of this video, you probably know I'm fitting a front split to my car. I don't even know if it's for aerodynamics. I don't know what it is for. I'm not a car guy, don't ask me. So let's quickly open up my garage door. And we got our splitter, baby.
I get to it off the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day. Cloudy days turn to...
Honestly, lads, I thought I was buying a front splitter for my car, not a fucking mummy. Look at it. Honestly, I would not be surprised if I found Lord Adbrack underneath this. Look at this. So if you guys somehow don't know where a splitter goes, basically, we are going to install it under this front bumper today, and it'll add a little bit of a black splitter on.
Going up, going up, going up. Get it down, never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Okay, right. That is the splitter. This will actually clip on or bolt on to the bottom of my front bumper. So as you guys can see, you know, here it is so far. So we've got one from Tripler Composites. Mate, sounds like a bloody disease. The aerodynamics, boys, the aerodynamics. So again, this is going to be my first time fitting a splitter to the car, to any car. So, not 100% sure how to do this. We're just going to pretty much wing it. We're going to jack the car up firstly, so we can get proper underneath it. And then, we're going to whack out my drill, and we are going to drill some holes in the bottom of the car today. Hopefully it don't blow up on me, but we'll have a look. So we've got it on jack stands, as you guys can see, 2, and then we've got another jack stand on the other side. Usually I like to keep this trolley jack just touching like underneath the car, just in case. But for today's video, we're just going to use this to hold up the front splitter onto the car, and then we can also use some sellotape to stick it onto the bonnets to make sure it don't move and stuff like that. This is how it looks stock so far, you know. I think, you know, a white and black car having another black accent will just be sensational, you know. It's like that creme de la creme. So, without further ado, let's actually just get this splitter put onto the jack, and then we can measure it all up. Because it's only like it's only me doing this, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to take my time, but I'm going to make sure it all lines up with the bumper, you know, with these bits. Oh my god, I'm fucking well gassed, mate. That looks absolutely sick. Trust me, daddy. Come on now. Wait, hold on. It looks pretty much flush with both sides. I take this all off camera. A lot of just going back and forth from side to side. But both of them just look flush, almost flush with either side. You know, that one's a little bit off, but you know what? If it's a little bit off, I don't give a shit. We've got a drill right here, and then we take this drill bit. Don't know how big it is. Put that bitch in. We're all good to go, basically. I'm not sure if this is made for plastic, this drill bit, but it's gonna do. And then we've got all the bolts that we need to fit the front splitter right here, and they match up. The size of the drill bit matches up to the screw, so happy days. Alright then, you laddie. Oh shit, it now. What the fuck? I'm tied up in the Loch Ness Monster. We can remove all the tape now because there is only one more screw that we need to screw in, which is right here. So then, it was really hard to show you guys what I was doing, but you know what? Let me give you a little demonstration, you know, with these washers, because it's really tight down there. And obviously, it's really tight down there. You guys wouldn't even be able to see anything, but you put washer on the screw to spread the load of the... don't know. So you drill a hole through the, there's like a little gap, like a little material that you drill through. You put that in, and then once that's drilled in, you put this on top, you spin it on, and then eventually these two will spin together once you try and tighten it down. So to get a really tight screw down, what I did was I held this one with a wrench, and then I screwed this one down with a socket, and that stopped it from moving. So now we've got a nice solid splitter right now. And we've got one more, which is right underneath this jack. So if we hopefully let this jack go, it won't even basically move. Oh, look at that. Didn't even move. So yeah, we'll get the last one on, and then we can see what it's like. Woo, I'm so excited. Nice. Honestly, if I was installing somebody's splitter for them, I'd charge about 10 grand for bloody labour. Look at this. But anyway, right, that is all nice now. Look how close it is, you know. So obviously, if I lower the car now, look how close the splitter gets to the jack stand. Look at that, look at, wait. Oh my god, it's almost touching. Oh, it is, oh shit. Oh, we've got almost no clearance. Oh my god. Mate, that looks incredible. Oh my god, I've just turned French. Look at that shit. Wait, we have got to get... Let me get this car down, because that looks incredible. You know what? Fuck, that does look sick. And ladies, oh my god! So far, the splitter looks fucking insane. Why don't I put my seatbelt on? I'm only backing up. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly back the car up off of these bricks. Move the bricks, and then we're going to take a look at the thing. Let's have a listen to the exhaust. Woo! Beautiful! Beautiful! This Corsa is no longer a Corsa. Crazy to think, shut up. Crazy to think that my Corsa was stock before this lockdown. Well, when this lockdown started, you know. And now, we've got a front splitter, an exhaust, an air filter. Literally, it's crazy. Just before I go ahead and show you guys the front splitter on the car, because it looks fire, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've released some more Ricer Boys merch. We started off with lanyards, and now we have got key rings, boys. The lanyards are actually sold out. They will be coming back in stock in about a month. But today you can actually go and pick up a red Ricer Boys key ring, and it's red to match Mum's car. Look at that, bang. And we've also got a black Ricer Boys keyring right here. Look at that. Just small things, but you know what? I think they look absolutely amazing. You know, the red one is my favourite because it stands out on the keys. But yeah, boys, if you want to go cop one now, because there's about 30 of each, you know, and I don't doubt that they won't sell out quick. So to avoid the restocking time, go cop one now. You know, I appreciate if you get one, let me know. And yeah, go check them out. Link is in the description. Oh my god. That looks insane. Come on. Yo, with a white and black car, this just looks, it's a mustache. I've got a little chin hair. Oh my god, I actually can't believe it. That looks really good, I think. I mean, look at that now. You can't even say that don't look good for a Corsa, you know. The splitter is worth more than the car, but look how low that is now. Look at that. Oh my god, like literally. The thing is, it's very, very low right now. But I think, you know what, on a white and black car, again, this just makes the car look so much... Ooh, damn. And even, you know, the TRC, something I like noticed, it's a tiny detail, but obviously the R is red, brake caliper red. You can kind of notice it in person a little bit more, but yeah. Finally, we have got the splitter all installed. You know, very, very happy with how it looks. Jesus, mate, it actually, like, that is love right there. This is why I love the car, you know. Again, some people might find this a Corsa, but you know what? Adding stuff like that makes me well happy. I mean, come on. Appreciate the happiness, guys, come on. But yeah, really, I think it looks sick from this angle because of this TRC. Like, I don't like people branding, you know, I don't like brands putting stuff on the front so that everybody knows what it is. I just like it looking plain and black. But you know what? That actually works well with the brake calipers. So happy days. Free promotion for TRL or whatever the fuck their name is. Fam, I'm gonna literally, this is gonna provide so much downforce that I'm gonna be down in the ground through to China in no time. I'll be doing 50 and I'll be in China. So yeah, like I said, look, it looks like it's got a little bit of chin air. A little bit of chin air. Something I can't get over is how low that is now. I will not be able to get it up, you know, like really steep driveways. I'm gonna have to be careful now, because you know what, I like parking as close as I possibly can to curbs. So yeah, boys, let me know what you guys think of the splitter. I think it looks really, really good. I mean, especially with the black grille. Would be better if it's gloss, but you know, another day I might do that. So yeah, right, hopefully this isn't gonna fly off. I think it's done very, very securely down. I made sure of it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And basically, if you guys did enjoy, follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff for more behind the scenes. And also subscribe if you did enjoy. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see your faces in my next video. What?